Out of 26 years, I spent 17 in prison, and this wasn't working. I had my daughter, I have my son, things to look forward to, and I didn't want to live a life of crime because I seen where it ended. I just thought to myself, like, is this what I want for the rest of my life? Do I want to be here stuck behind bars having people tell me what to do, or do I want to live a good life, go on vacations, have fun, go to the river? Do I want to actually do something with my life? While I was incarcerated, I got a communications degree. I also went and did every single activity to better myself. I spent over 300 hours with self-help groups, parenting, cognitive thinking, criminal thinking, started going to church. I actually just changed my life fully and completely. I just had to do something better, just throwing my life away being incarcerated. So I wanted something new. I wanted something that my kids could look at me and be proud of, or that they could sit there when I'm passing away and they could say my dad was a good man. I had to sit down and think about my priorities and my responsibilities, and I had to take it serious. So when I got out, somebody from my church owned their own construction business. I got involved with him, and unfortunately he couldn't keep me no more. So I got laid off. I ended up meeting Erica, met workforce development. Everything has been working out. I'm having a good time, going to school, just enjoying workforce and everything that they're doing for me. I'm literally put at ease right now. They're helping me with gas, they're helping me with school, they're helping me with clothes. They even have extra training. They give me job leads all the time. I'm actually excelling in school, and I will be certified in everything heavy equipment. They've given me a new career. They've given me the training that I needed. I'm telling you right now, if you don't think this could happen, it's possible. I'm living proof. I'm telling you, I spent years in prison, wasted a lot of years, and I came out in workforce. They just helped me with everything. I never thought that this was possible. I never thought that the things that are going on right now would be opened up for opportunity for me. And here I am as living proof. Workforce, they've helped me out so tremendously. I'm just ecstatic at how much that they helped me, and I'm just so happy. Thank you so much for everything that you guys have done. You've helped my life turn around, and not just that, you've changed everything for my future. I appreciate you so much.